Hello everyone, I wish you to have a nice start of the week. Today I will start with Bitcoin price prediction with Elliott Wave analysis, and starting with the daily chart we can see that Bitcoin in the weekend has made some little moves toward the upside, and then since yesterday midnight in the European time we have started to see some pullback down. So as we can see in the daily chart, we already can clearly see an impulse 1, 2, 1, 2, and 3 to the top, and we are looking forward to a 4 and 5. We already made the first wave 4 of the small 1, 2 here, and we're still expecting now a longer wave 4 for the first 1, 2 in the beginning, or what is called the main impulse. As you can see also that we have a trend line here on the daily chart, reaching from the tops of this trend here. So it's kind of like the expectation of the wave 5 after reaching the wave 4 is gonna kind of test, of course, this trend again, and it might be the end of the bull market, of this small bull market now. This is what someone asked me today in the comment section to cover where exactly the where could the bull market or this bull trend can end. So this is my answer. The best expectation would be taken from this trend line, and of course after seeing the wave 4 accomplished first, we are expecting the same, the wave 5, which it should be the same length, this one, this path, the green path that I'm gonna take it from there. So here we go. So this wave 1 should be, based on Elliott Wave, should be always be the same as wave 5 in price and in time. That means in time with the same trend line, the same uptrend like that, or inclination of price, and the same price, it means the same length of the path. So this is like, of course, this is not a rule in Elliott Wave, it's a guideline, but somehow like 60 to 70% this works always between the wave 1 and the wave 5. So these are my expectation, and yeah, that's why exactly I'm putting this price exactly on that trend, because I'm expecting that this impulse would end somewhere here at the 70,200 almost. As you can see, the price is here between 70,000 and 70,200 or 400. Okay, so, and don't forget that also we have another resistance here with all the tops here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 tops here. So expect a very high resistance here. So yeah, this is a very strong resistance here to expect. And after the end of the wave 5, I do not expect that we can directly break this resistance. Okay, guys, so this is the answer where might the market, the bull trend, the current bull trend might end. However, this doesn't mean that the bull market, the whole bull market has ended, all right? Because what we can expect later on, sorry for the voices of the ambulance in the city, it's always like this. So yeah, after having 5 waves up, all right, expect to have, of course, a pullback, yeah, for a wave 2, because the whole 5 waves now, it's gonna be considered as a wave 1, and we are expecting a wave 2, and from wave 2 we are expecting a stronger and explosive wave 3 towards a new higher high. Okay, so these are the expectations. So that is no end of really meaning of end of bull market unless we break under this lower low. Yeah, once we break once we're back to this area here, between 57,300 and 52,700, then I would say yes, a bearish market is on the doors, is knocking on the doors, right? To be more precise with that, so what we are expecting, I'm gonna try to predict a little bit much more. So if we gonna take this retracement, and we're gonna say that, okay, we reach this point with the trend line, okay? So our expectation for a wave 2, for a retracement back, to be exactly between this area here, between the 59,900 and 57,000. Lower than 57,000, sorry, lower than this price, I would say we are in danger of a bearish market. Okay, so we are still very far from that price from now. And even I don't really, to be honest, I don't really expect that the pullback will reach this area even. Because actually what I saw in this trend now, which is very, very strong, to be honest, looking back at the other trends here, okay, the bullish side of Bitcoin, I cannot say that this had happened before, right? So I see a stronger trend, bullish market, a stronger bullish movement, right? It's very explosive, very strong, and I expect a very shallow retracement for a wave 2 even. We saw very shallow retracement for wave 4. I don't know this wave 4 what it's gonna do, but I'm expecting also the 0.23 as first target. Second target is 0.38, which is at 63,900. However, I'm expecting a shallow retracement for wave 2 as well after we finish this. So wave 2 can start even again from this price, okay, from this price. And by the way, wave 4, sorry, I used the wrong Fibonacci. Wave 4 might go to 23 Fibonacci, which is at 65,000 almost. Or if we got a stronger downside, which I prefer, to be honest, for a more healthier market, because I believe also when we have double 1, 2 and double 4 waves, the second 4 wave should goes down around the first 4th, yeah, to make a stronger bullish somehow, or a healthier bullish market. Okay, so expect this, guys. One of these retracements at wave 4, between 65,000 and 62,700. Right. When you trade this, if you want to trade this, of course, be careful with it. However, we know already that this is definitely a target. Okay, so therefore, when you want to trade this, of course, be careful, but try to take some kind of half of your profit already here. And if we move on further, then take your TP profit too in this area here. So that is the best way, I think, to trade this. So if it reversed and so on, you already took some profit and you go out from it with half of the second profit, you know. So it keeps the things a little bit more balanced and less risky, yeah. However, no financial advice, but it's just a tip how to trade this. This is the idea, and yeah, so basically this is on the daily chart. So if we move on to the 1 hour chart, a little bit inside the chart to see what is going on. So as you might see yesterday, yeah, we were expecting already to go down, of course, and we are still expecting this. How much down? We still not really have a good prediction, but of course, I mean, of course, we already have a target. We talked about it now, which is 0.23, right? So I'm gonna keep this here as wave 4 retracement. I'm gonna remove this for less things on the chart. What I'm expecting, guys, is this is wave 2 here. What I'm expecting is a retracement for wave 4 around this area, as we said, between 65,200 and 63,200, preferably this area, right? Preferably for a more healthier bullish trend, this one. And as you might see, this is the expectation of wave 5 as price and length. However, I'm expecting even to touch, of course, this trend line. So yeah, this is my expectation. As you can see, we have 3 impulses inside this main impulse, all right, in this main green impulse. So we have 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5. Now 5 has ended here. I will explain. Of course, I will explain. So with this 5 ends the third green one, which is the first impulse, right? Here is a 3 of the main impulse. And then we are expecting a 4 for the green and then a 5 for the green as well, and finishing this bull trend. For the 5, why the 5 is here? Because yesterday, what happened here, what we see here, a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Now, somehow this is very tricky because it might say, okay, we have double 1, 2, then 4, 5 as well. It might be, but the problem that I have is with this trend here. If we go inside it in the 15-minute, I don't really know how to count this, right? It doesn't mean I don't know. It means it cannot be counted in a proper pattern for Elliott waves. This is the thing. Because if we cannot take this as 1, 2, 2 is very shallow. It cannot be a 2. This is only 0.23 Fibonacci. Again, 1, 2, I mean, it's already broken from the beginning. We cannot consider it 1, 2. So there is no place for impulse here already. If we want to take it as diagonal, it's also not diagonal. It's very parallel first. And second, this one, the third wave, for example, if we're gonna take this 1, 2, and 3, the third wave is bigger than the first one, and this is not allowed in Elliott wave. So in Elliott wave, rather, if in a contracting diagonal, the wave 1 should be the biggest wave. So somehow like that it should look like, but not longer like this one, right? This is a contracting diagonal, but this is a very long, so we cannot take it as multiple waves. Therefore, I see that this is an A here, finishing wave 5 here. We have an A, okay, A, B, and we are expecting a C in a impulse way. And we already see now 1, 2, 3, 4. We are expecting 5 and a retracement for wave 2. So this is gonna be considered wave 1, 2, and then move down impulsively for 5 to reach our wave 4. So this is my reading for the next for the next thing. So I'm gonna label this, guys. So I'm gonna put here A, B, and C. So this is what we are expecting now, a wave C, okay? So that will be the wave 4 retracement at the same time, okay? And then move up again with the wave 5. Now, expect also that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Expect also maybe a shallow retracement for wave 2. It could be. Why not? Everything is possible. Okay, we did not touch the, So I don't expect to go down from now, because wave 2 should be at least touching this level at 67,580 after having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if this is 1, we are expecting a wave 2 almost here. However, it didn't touch yet the minimum requirement of a wave 2, which is 0.38. So don't expect that it goes down from here, guys. All right, I think, so what we are expecting is to go to this side. Expect, of course, have up and down, all right, for ABC, 3 waves, and then reaching the wave 2, then move down from there. So this is it for Bitcoin. I hope that you like it. If you have any comments or you have any wishes to add for the videos, please let me know. I would be glad to do this for you guys. I wish you to have a nice day and trade safe. See you in the next video.